a virtual ceremony amid the global pandemic. The World Food Programme's executive director accepted the prize by video link in Rome, headquarters of the organisation, and thanked the Nobel Committee in Oslo.
This Nobel Peace Prize is more than a thank you. It is a call to action. Because of so many wars, climate change, the widespread use of hunger as a political and military weapon, and a global health pandemic that makes all of that exponentially worse, 270 million people are marching towards starvation.
In 2019, the organisation provided assistance to almost 100 million people in 88 countries. The Nobel Committee said in addition to combating hunger, the WFP, over its 60-year history, had contributed to bettering conditions for peace in conflict-affected areas and acted as a driving force in efforts to prevent the use of hunger as a weapon of war. The WFP's regional director in East Africa, Michael Dunford, gave VOA his reaction to winning the prize.
This has been a tremendous boost. 2020, as you know, has been one of the most difficult years. COVID has been yet another shock, in addition to some of the worst flooding in Eastern Africa, in addition to a locust plague of biblical proportions, and unfortunately, and this is the biggest concern, conflict and insecurity in so many of the countries that we're operating.
Dunford says the prize is a tribute to the WFP staff.
Working in some of the most difficult locations in the world, in sub-offices, deep in the field, be it either in Somalia or South Sudan, and really people who have to put their lives on the line to be able to support people who cannot feed themselves.
The World Food Programme has also coordinated medical logistics during the coronavirus pandemic. The WFP executive director warned that a failure by the international community to address the needs of those affected would cause what he called a hunger pandemic that would dwarf the death toll caused by the virus. Henry Richwell for VOA News, London.